Hi, my name's Vanessa and I'm the owner of Little Leather Children's Shoes and a recent graduate of the Recipe for SEO Success course. So before the course, I had done what we all do. I'd scoured the internet, I'd done every free SEO course known to man, and I'd started to put random keywords into my website, trying to implement some sort of SEO strategy. I could see some minimal results, but I could also see that there was big gaps missing and things that I didn't understand. And I didn't overall feel confident that what I'd put in place was going to achieve real results for me. So after much deliberating, I decided to join the course. After sort of 3 or 4 openings of the course, I got in there and joined the course earlier this year. And I've got to say, I found it absolutely fantastic. I was a little worried. I've got 2 young boys, whether I was going to have enough time to learn and implement and be on the calls. And I really just made sure that I scheduled the time in and to be there live so that you can learn live from Kate. It was amazing how much time was actually put into us as individuals, as well as the group as a whole, as well as being able to go back now and look at all the recorded trainings. I've been in and out of the trainings several times since the course is finished, remembering information, going back and consolidating things, and having that resource at your fingertips is absolutely awesome. So now I feel like my SEO game is consolidated. I have a strategic plan. I can measure the results that I have, or of the things I've already implemented. I have a long list of things that I still need to implement, but I feel confident that I know what's a priority, and I know that I can keep chipping away at that list and working at my website to achieve real results. I really recommend the investment of time and money with Kate Toon. Her course is amazing. She gives so much of herself, and you have that resource to go back to time and time again to help you continue to learn and grow your SEO game.